Hello, I'm going to show you how to put the Costco Michelin wipers on a Chevy Silverado. These are the wipers that I picked up from Costco, and I've already installed them on one side, and so I'm going to show you how I did that on the other side. This is what comes in the box. There's instructions, 2 adapters, and the wiper blade, which has another adapter attached to it. First thing you do when you pull up the wiper, this is what the wiper looks like. Instructions, I don't know if you can see this, got a bad angle, but in order to take this off, you pinch these 2 little tabs and this blade part comes off. So this is what I took off. The 2 tabs went into those holes. It's much more narrow than the one that comes in the box. And there's the 2 tabs, if you can see them. And at this point, according to the instructions, I cannot understand how one is going to match the other. And I looked all over YouTube and I couldn't find a good video to explain it to me. So I tinkered with it, and this is what I figured out. And you pull this whole unit off. This whole thing comes off. So I think you push the tab and pull it up. Alright, that comes off. And this is what you're left with. Now in your instructions, on the top, it describes how to, see this right here is what we're looking at there. It's the side lock. So you follow these instructions. We're going to pop out the one that's already in there, and then we're going to pop in this one right here. And it looks like the large hole, where we at? The large hole is behind this side. It goes like that. The large hole on that side. So it's going to go like that after I pop that part out. Looks like this. And then I'm going to slide out. Pop this, push this button and slide that out. And clip this in to where that is. So to take this out, you roll it around, and then you just push down, and that pops it out, and then you just dig it out of there. Alright, so I popped this part out, and now I'm going to take this one, and it says with the large hole in the back side. Pop it in. Just put it on the post and snap it in. And you push this button and slide this top piece out. Alright, got it slid out. And now ready to install. So I actually got to pop this part off all the way. This thing comes off. Alright, take that off first. And then this back piece is going to slide into that groove. Like so, there we go. Got that in there. This side is up here. Alright. Got a good fit there. A good fit there. And then you just put the cap on the front. And that's it. And that is how to install Michelin wiper blades on a Chevy Silverado.